Hey, what's up, guys? Meteorologist Doug Hetty. It is Friday. We made it through yet another work week heading into the weekend. The past couple weeks of weather, in my standards, have been kind of boring. I like active weather, and for everybody else, it's nice weather. For me, it's boring, but I do think things are going to really start to pick back up as we go through the next couple weeks. First off, huge shout out to my boys Superior Roofing and Construction, a four-state premier roofing contractor. They're family owned and operated in Joplin, Missouri, located 7th and High Street. There's also a salon out of there called Vibe as well. Now, Superior, they did my roof actually 1 year ago. It was in December of 2022. They're a great bunch of guys. So if you have any roofing needs, make sure you call them. The number is right there on the screen. All right, here's what we're going to do today. We're going to talk about our next storm system moving in Sunday and Monday. We have another big system that moves in on Black Friday. Of course, next week is a big travel week across the region. So that's something that we are going to be kind of focusing on. Let's talk real quickly. Weather 2020. We have a new website coming out next week, so I'll be kind of hitting that one up. And the new LRC pattern, which Gary Lezak and I and team have been working on for 25 years. The new pattern is in place. Still kind of fine tuning it as we're only about a month and a half in, but I like what I'm seeing for active weather. Again, we can go back. You may not like what I'm seeing, but for me, I like what I'm seeing. All right, all the clouds we had last night, these are streaming out of the region. So, really, Friday afternoon is turning out to be a great day. Sunny skies, but look at this system. So, this is the classic comma shape. So, you have an area of low pressure. Around it is a counterclockwise rotation. That's what the direction is with a low pressure. High pressure is clockwise, but we call this the comma shape cloud because it looks like a comma. But this is our next storm system that is going to start to affect us as we get into Sunday. First off, let's walk you into your weekend. It looks pretty good. Sunny skies tonight, colder, mid 30s for everybody. As we get into Saturday afternoon, great day. Look at this. Dodge City, 68, 66. Oak City, Fort Smith, 66. Springfield, up to 60 degrees. As we go into tomorrow night, clouds will start to increase. Look at the showers and thunderstorms. So here's Sunday, 3:30 in the morning. Showers, thunderstorms, central Kansas down through central parts of Oklahoma. These will continue to spread east as we go through the daytime hours on Sunday. Now, there could be some strong to maybe a few severe thunderstorms once you get down toward Oklahoma City, mainly south of Tulsa. I think everybody else, Kansas, into Missouri, is just good old showers and thunderstorms. So here's 10 a.m. Showers and thunderstorms spread east throughout the afternoon, getting into Missouri, northwestern Arkansas. Here's 3 p.m. rain, everybody else. And then just periods of light showers Sunday night and then all the way into Monday morning. And this, again, is something that we need. Now, rainfall, it's not going to be particularly heavy, but we'll take whatever we can get. Again, this is a model estimate. So don't say, oh, Kansas City is going to have 0.85 inches. Gives you an idea of what is probable, or at least what the potential is. So it looks like heavier amounts along the I-70 corridor of a half to an inch of rain. The I-44 corridor, quarter to half, maybe isolated heavier amounts. All right, so this system moves out Tuesday morning. Let's jump down the road. So here's the system over the weekend, Sunday into Monday. So here's the upper level low, but I want you to notice this. Back toward El Paso, a piece of energy gets hung up. So as we go through the week, watch this. You can see that upper level low, northern parts of Mexico, and then look up here into the Pacific Northwest. Here comes the next system. So as this kicks down, it will pick this guy up and shoot him out across the Central Plains. So Thanksgiving, most of the four-state area looks pretty quiet, but here we go. Here's that system. Look at the snow. Montana, parts of Wyoming, rain pushing in Kansas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, and then that colder air filters in. So we could, again, we got to see where this all sets up, but there, at least the potential that we could see a snow event across a good chunk of Kansas, at least northern Missouri, Nebraska, Iowa. We'll have to see how far south that rain snow line goes. Does it go all the way down to Joplin? Does it go farther south? And then this is going to be a pretty big system. as it exits off toward the east. So there's a whole bunch going on. I'm getting kind of excited to watch what happens as we get into next week. Of course, I'll do another weather 2020 video on Sunday ahead of this storm system rolling in. Probably Monday as well. As the weather picks up, these videos pick up. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. And also, as soon as I figure out the exact um, last few details on the pattern, I'll start giving you kind of a week by week forecast on here so you can plan ahead, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, whatever. All right, guys, have a great Friday afternoon and enjoy your weekend.